Austria for so say said yes ikono ebe hu parents for the next stage no anobeshi obi choice
Chawan kankam
boko there
nyame adom bia fine
say Euros no enya bukov no
yeah
they say yeah separating the men from the boys
absolutely
ebi qualify ebi jigu but me am so excited for Denmark.
Absolutely.
Other Denmark can just support because of Christian Eriksen. I didn't see na mama for pay Denmark for us in busy.
Yeah, this Denmark they see our first game against Finland. You know, idea I'm say even beyond football, no, who football ne, who adrenaline no cry no idea so any because and then oko Denmark somewhere there be no in no penny say don't give up. While there's still a chance, no matter how small the chance is.
Yeah.
The northern part of Europe, baby, Denmark, nominate Finland, nominate Sweden, no more very strong mentality. And the Danes, actually, the NTR, or more special breed of Europeans. And from their toe, Christian Eriksen to a dramatic, as at the 79th minute. Now still now Russia any Finland for no say because that time no now Atem Zuba te kanimu ba akwe Denmark 2 Russia 1 somewhere no so no na Belgium lead just by a lone goal into say permutation is not twice so sadia na say na Russia ne Finland for no not Denmark for ni Kofi and is na Russia ne Finland a good chance of qualifying and so Christian Eriksen goal or sorry was Christian Andreas Christiansen goal or share saying the last time or share goal football I think 14 September 2017 if I'm not wrong about 4 years ago no share go into enura goal no cry no money kai nyoma bebre koso but the tragedy of Christian Eriksen say ogina ewo ne kwanta nan so yes a junction so to me esan ba nkwam the just say enura ansa no bebo ball na Brenton nya kwanya ko training ground so any omo kwatwe nkomo say wasan post be crowd or names and Instagram page or some born him ranting about so and all of that. O shall say free sound quanta nine so a kaka crabby Emma branch and every name kwanya say penny form one me Camedex referees and any teammates omoye CPR no defibrillators no a revive ya branch and not just a rehusempa na eya to my your friend of Denmark but a nano pay no more ankasa reflect because a no qualification ama or dos from Kwana Denmark for nankasa wo national team no asori drum pempen so bia omo ankasa mpanyimfo no omo entiase because proud to the qualifiers omo qualifiers for South Africa 2010 that was on the 10th of September 2008 omo share Portugal like kamienu omo kamien sama omo team mienu omo wie game no omo anya press conference bia omo can say that be in some trophy ni omo nini ye e wo krom ho okay say in 2018 so omo professional footballers no money omo FA no won tokwa omo the DJs amateur futsal for no I think I have was those times no reporter some of the newspapers as major newspapers one no report here say in fact that game was against Slovakia Slovakia for winning by 3-0 players no Eriksen no any Højbjerg no any Vestergaard no nyina yes omo mo because sikasemwa na omo ni omo FA ni one no problem the problems are the Black Stars of Ghana face here after Russia Brazil 2014 no Denmark for the famu bi musa players ni so mo sa match na mo kofa amanfra for na bebo sa match no ni nyina mo lose sa match no in fact the man for more Denmark wo gidie sronko se afi we no your ma finish in 1992 Euros no Sweden for the host here Denmark for qualify ni okrobia a friend the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia Bosnia was here Kosovo was here Vojvodina was here Bosnia Herzegovina medical bomudina Croatia ho Macedonia ho Slovenia ho Montenegro Serbia no penny or down on what the politics here and America international politics here opinion friend Slobodan Slobodan Milosevic opanyi we no oye tough Yugoslavian leader asema mi kem say omo no mu di international politics asi echi 1996-97 obakai Slobodan Milosevic intokwa bi siye na san tokwa na ma ama ni nyina eti omo nti san tokwa no na UEFA for years there be ma Yugoslavia for no bota tournament that time no na Denmark players so on vacation obi agina ni on na yire ne ma o ma bo season na wie obi relax and an crane ba say Yugoslavia for na film into Denmark for show manem omo group no omo ni England omo share England board draw 0-0 omo share France 2-1 in the group stage and na Sweden no more group A into na two groups per Sweden show my kaba kuma omo entumi asimo adabraka omo qualify to the semi-finals against Holland. Omo share after 2-2 draw our regulation time. Omo share Holland the kanu mem omo timu mienu and omo call the grand finale omo share Germany by 2-0. The first European Cup at Denmark folk wini yano na sa tournament na mu no originally omo qualify omo fasa hunye here bi mu say ya and omo the J tournament. I'm not trying to suggest in any way said Denmark for betumi agi cup no. Now so share from the start of this tournament. Now share the dramatic albeit mami fan ka hu say Lukaku nom Romelu Lukaku ni nuanom eboaye because na was so mutumi ehye Finland for no by a good number of goals. 2 goals and Belgium for share no kra no with all of the changes Roberto Martinez Eden Hazard nomne Axel Witsel nomne Jeremy Doku and a lot of boys are now mo bebre na share tournament including Derek Boyata no nyina no omunya sa results na Denmark for na nkasa so no de omu betumi aye etumi etwa Russia kanan emomo etimu bako so one great football story me sure say Denmark for be try some be transmit it and I'm sure say as Ghanaians we can also there will certainly be a day a debi bedrua assembly besia ebema Ghana for be bre na no adwen and no dom Black Stars na besamba and it started with a Christian Eriksen story chese e drum pempen so a ene se Denmark free knockout phase nim no man tumi ankom anim kura na Simeon Kaya Vestergaard Andres Christensen Yusuf Paulsen Pierre-Emile Højbjerg all of those great guys without the brain and no credit say Christian Eriksen on na okra dwen no yeka the brains of football on na komani dan so say obeye bibia maboboku no nanso na branche no just about 30 or 35 minutes into the first game of the tournament na branche no enya available and no do some pempen so we are I think sir we can learn a lot from the celebration
almost jubilating now. It tells you how much it means to them for Denmark to qualify. But there are other countries but is one of the big guns over the next stage because Hungary beat Germany.
Which looks impossible.
It looks unlikely. Highly unlikely.
Very, very unlikely. Very unlikely.
And I say Germany winning. Now France share Portugal. Portugal chances of qualification to the next stage is very slim. Very dependent on, of course, a wild card qualification. Right?
Yeah. Because at this material moment, wild card, Switzerland 4 points, Portugal were 3 points, Ukraine were 3 points, Finland were 3 points, Spain were 2 points, and Croatia was just 1 point. Into more special dispensation of a wild card already list number. Send your city any day. Say BBS Switzerland for 1 and 2 make groups parents more qualify. In fact, in England were against the Czech Republic, Croatia so no esu adwuma because so many Scotland so and Asia Scotland in share go tournament we mu Croatia for na nkasa no so no omo ankasa wo almost struggles because omo lusu to England omo against the Czech Republic 1-0. I think it was Patrick Schick and a goal no matter the Czech Republic. So even with this England group no crana share dan share ye I'm pretty sure say for the Czech Republic the pa ne say omo concede goal and omo be keep clean sheet and omo enin kuguo because who share omo group here make England for group now well be topic group no only group F for the Asia group of death no Germany, Portugal, France, Hungary into even for the Czech Republic or be person or be topic group no on the second place that group F Asia now one share England for so dependent on the result because you say Hurricane I mean more demono and shut down so any good news ne say Mason Mount good news in the sense yes Mason Mount is a very good player but ebema Jadon Sancho ne Jack Grealish no so akwenya e sense na was so mono extra more because of COVID-19 who say bench also ni into most likely say Luke Shaw and a body position na ya hwa ni mu say England for no be changes kakra na ya hwese nya Vaklich Patrick Schick and all of those fine players from the Czech Republic including West Ham United for Buffon Sushek no how that game will pan out but I'm pretty sure say sa grown a bit me draw most likely a 0-0 draw now Croatia to me anya results against Scotland dependent on the number of goals at Croatia for beshe but me share ni mu say Czech Republic and England for no e bit me qualify out of in the games e bit me abaso.
Okay, well when you're Euro 2020, yeah, because in the year 2021, and yeah, they want some. But to say, Obi, what's the latest on Rantim? You know, I saw more camp park, and you know, say. Yeah, this is still almost police was
yeah, no pay almost some of the almost quarter credit no man can say no original level or but command every national level make IGP as well so more reverted back to Eziama case nko Eziama divisional police headquarters so no into share investigations na sin free or we are normal proceed to the higher level regional level no into no say imrantie no eda efia omo da sell so chese ena no pe na ye de omo ebekọ Eziama ho na de oho bia no omo asha so already police superintendent owo takwa kuma ono the various charges make divisional police commander superintendent kuma or the charges are most likely say betumi the abom rantie no etumi aba chese me sure say my only worry is say na minister ankai na no pay ya process you for court many pictures of the other guys na yeah omo ehwe omo no specifically a branch no yes specifically a branch no to born na nkasa no a branch anything no ono ne picture but I don't know say yeah too clear into mejanisa but at this matter yeah hwe say na no pay no branch be kwa Eziama ho na investigations na to me ashas yenti still now processes na cause Moses Amapaka kasa about and the free takwa ba ni HSE enye just football in tokwa community more of ethnic fight in the sense wasafo ene nzimafo ene eko inti commander no kura kirem say enye football because one hwa na ekwa bro so na wasaman ana wasafo because wasafo no ene wotakwa ena nzimafo no na wo enyinase ho inti ede enuafo ntokwa bi ba
na me mediamafo no board no kura sre so about the some any management so muntwa bibia so
absolutely
yes na media ma fans bia charge say ombeko the homes of nipo minimum so theater kwa no
yeah
seven bread omo nzimafo no omo nim so support Kaela kombeko ko bu omo kura wo mu fie
yeah
that's the level at which Adeniyi could do.
Absolutely. At this moment, they met me. I can say, yes, a football case. Acquire inter-ethnic problem. Dese Moses Amapaka Akasa. Afa Sadie where or the Kokobos Runko Amani supporters. They say pese or better say revenge be an retaliation be a koso. Se be sa koso padia obema yachi obia. Yes, I think say I was nananum any penny for more nzimamem any wasamamu nyina no I was so mu kabom na sa case we no omo etumi so because emrante na omo to bo no omo ye nneoma ensem fata e wa nyina se no omo ye emrante omo titakwa a omo nim omo dada nti a bit of a problem. I'm sure say it's under control because security officials know or more grounds for Papa ye.
Well, I'm dealing with this matter. I bet you escalate something big. I've been do any time at two teams which and also got any blood yen say as a country we are not known to be that kind of people. You're born no, a woman say you can't hooliganism normally. A courtier even of officials normally are against referees. And it's hard, but to attack the opposing team this hard no. You know a Premier League hardly doesn't even happen. If I basically lower divisions no. Any time to take this animal wasting tea. We are just hoping. Say mpanyinfo a omoda Ghana Football Association no no. Omema asem we hu ahia omo. Na omedi akiri. I understand that Karela for say some others actually on their own. Omo Karela for some goto bo anase bibia anti. Omo dealing with their matter. I'm hoping say ebe continue sir. Say okọ venue no be bibia police won so ni mu. Mo so ni mu a. Na mo na form ra kwan so be ka hard of fans bi. Konokone has be ye chi omo Barbara Stadium. Okay, dey omo call court.
Yeah.
Any you na do e bi na has mpanyinfo kwa free nkran ba.
Yeah. Because like
if it's that case, you know, yeah, bibia bi and ehọ na e de ne mu ama we and so you know. Well, you want say our league match is tonight. But we are talking about the league games on Sunday. The Super Clash. And meeting because on pay a stakeholders meeting. Basso the media center the Accra Sports Stadium and 10 a.m. Yana meeting no Basso stakeholders are the game between Kodogo and Hearts in Asia no matter and the Ghana Football Association is represented by the General Secretary Prosper Harrisonado and the members of the GFA Safety and Security Committee and Prof Chumasi, the Director General of the National Sports Authority and also Etna Mudiamani outfit no Kwame Prado, Air Communications Manager. On Charles Quating, the Commercial Manager of Accra Arts Folk. And Omo Air Representative Hearts. Nana Amponsa, the CEO of Asante Kotoko. On also Beho. On Air David Obenum. Namo sorry representative Asante Kotoko. And yet Omunkwa. Others almost over Kono. The National Security Coordinator. The Ghana Police Service. The Ghana Armed Forces. Ambulance Service for Subeho, Ghana Red Cross Society, the Ghana Fire Service, the Police MTTD, and the Ghana League Clubs Association. The Medical Directorate of the Civil Service Clinic, and National Investigation Bureau. And so can even BNI, Bureau of National Investigations. You see, National Investigation need just say your food ni trodi na go you can you troche obia is there any associate deal for Bureau of National Investigation National Investigations Bureau say NIB enyukura BNI na oza omo nyina ehia no man to here Asante Kotoko any Hearts of a game a category A match enti your security requirements any bibi also am to akwemu ansa na game no abaso no and omo hwehwe na omo hwehwe bibi as game abaso at 3 p.m. on Sunday June 27th and a game no abaso well obi Hearts of Ogatro and a common panyimfo die football nano say omo kanche government in fact Hearts of Ogatro my government so say gombesre say for the Super Clash kayempe omo pe an increment in spectators at the stadium from the normal 25% to about 50%. Say omijiri say when your normal game, it's a game every football fan in Ghana and beyond will love to watch because Kotokone has the on any day it is just like Real Madrid and Barcelona and Clasico. Just like any of these derbies. Oh yes, baby. How to look at the NIS artists and they see there's a new variant, don't they?
Yeah,
Delta variant.
Yeah, the Indian variant.
The Indian variant.
Yeah.
That will see. Yeah, the university. Yeah, we have a great question also. Kaka Azania.
Well, Chairman said this issue we are discussing about because under normal circumstances, no, and
you think so?
No, but no new variants now banned dear Chairman. Obia in BSC or India to the extent omoshi nipa momo nyakra edition nipa na shorty. Now was some called Pebi Free Pakistan. Unless I won't share international news. Torian Chairman to India to India for no. Say yare we no say no kresa India for de no delta no omanhu bi okotoka amanfo bi de ru omanmu ha dia. I'm not too sure say Dr. Insian Sarebepene and I'm penny for more public health the Ministry of Health ebe recommend this penny for and to and can the papa no dia why not say data no science no say yare no eba for mo. I don't have a problem with that, but India for no yari any dear. No crana me say yari because me cry me kai the last time I share nose mask. Me kai the last time I mean protocols mano. Ninyina no. Of course, double dose no we are na. You feel say you are immune to all of the. But and I no pay me tis sad news no. Say India for no yari any raw memo ano. Mami yam sheme kakra. Inti akabe 4 or 5 days to this very big game. Because in India for no head the end there send me who say nipe no to the extent say no more was some more exporting oxygen from the US from importing oxygen. Na nipa etinicam na cylinder ya yedi no aduane bi na ya connect ya ma no edru ba bi na protocol ene yedi toxic oxygen no chese me sure say India yes no question mo dosun by oman a eba ayaresem ayarehwe ne ayaresem a omo manim chen Ghana na senior musi bre no says have variant when variant no chese COVID-19 no otumi dane ne ho ono a won ne kwan bi a otune no afa ade achi anu adane say inti India for no so omo dia unfortunately enkrofo so edi aba o mamu ha inti say the cost 70% and 50% can we ensure say social distancing ni sa nyoma ni nyina no adwuma inti that is the situation enye a simple case of what you want say me penny say me no a case of apomuden health the data and the science attached to all of this situation inti there more Ministry of Health any public safety no or more data no more research on this current variant and in the possible impact say ye BM nipa bebre call the Accra Sports Stadium it's a nice request but I'm pretty sure say empenyi for bebo agu
it's the say you be arrest start times nibi because you be live on TV. There are few people on your opportunity to go stadium
yeah
now you keep it 25%.
Absolutely, Chairman.
Yeah, any of the variants by into me.
Problem.
A health system, no.
Problem.
And yeah,
like then I'll be India for way be now. So, I mean,
or the bagana.
Oh, by then.
So,
now, crew. Maybe I wanna know what's now.
Sir, but
because India for no she nipa man we are edition nipa no nasa.
At a point, India. The biggest drug manufacturing company in the world was India.
Yeah.
Omo na bring vaccine first dose. Now say no say omo timi been come baby omo go home. Now for omo import oxygen from US from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
They say COVID ne nyan cause ah besra mo. Sai na no na kan di we be de wa. Enyemo. Ono bo sisi boni ko bi si ha ya se ba shi o.
Especially send your weather next year, you know. A new aba into air conditioning, san your mano, weather ways, you know, my area no, or to meet na baby check. We are body. Unse ubi mpumana na mframa fem na viruses ni nyina no oxygen na be wuram dynamo no etumi ashe virus ni ase se sia ni nsi oto edemu ayenu se virus ni betare apunu bi ho a eno ane se ne air condition ya no tare osa nti we say ye careful because weather na ye wo mu no so kra no emayare no ekonanim so we have to be careful especially sa Indian variant ya be there me ankasa no minim se yare we dia enya dia be I mean your GDS say your immune system ni enioma bi o ho correct but India for we dia omo yare we dia yesre omo a omo nya abotre say yetumi detect sa variant we wo Ghana ha dia I was very extremely cautious. I'm pretty sure say how to work request is out of sa request no free or dos from ko omo ema grono de toso mienu den ankasika kakra ebetumi aba how to work footworm de toso miensa football fraternity no hwe sanya Euros no supporters ni co stadium a omo ni je no sa na nkayen so Ghana for ye ni beje nanso unse na no pay kra na meti say card na wo yare na ye de ma no code QR bar no code na wa chire no o scanner hwinio nti mo o kwan no
scanner ya tro no vaccination record found me beside and now me beside mu me beside Dr. Zafoji
okay
and o chire mu say oh sure say e be have normal upload data
okay
but the hologram na was on the na authenticate
na dey who there be o bar na wa che o ya see no data found until I mean we are in a very precarious situation.
Say until they say still how to guys on COVID test.
Yeah. What's all
now yeah now they call ubedru so I say your COVID test you say bibia the din COVID no enquire but anyway Andy ebe remo amono ne ansa na wa behwe yedin say games because the referees obegina games mu kina no omo honsam enso abanana yamponsa Asante Kotoko CEO wakazo say the most important match of the season for Asante Kotoko eyo mu game mbebo no nyame ado match na eyo boas no ne Karela game no na Andy ebe rem Euros no yedika kakra but Copa America so nra Pablo Gomez adaro Argentina etiminya a win Copa America na dey na TV stations ogun bi enyam ya hwebia
the most disorganized Copa America in its own history. No more confused. When they hosty. So first day Argentina, Colombia. No more draw. Yeah, Brazil for crowd demonstrations. Be Casemiro, no more Casa and all of that. So it's evident. We share games, no crowd and share down your I mean, any genuine cry. So and of course the time difference now. The ball matches.
Time difference is massive. And I know, sir. I know now. I'm at TV stations be bring TV our rights because. Has the Euros in Koso, and to buy the Euros and buy the Copa America together it becomes a bit, okay, let me choose one. And it looks like I'm call for the Euros because of course Euros wider popularity in terms of ball and because I would say over South America are very good, but when the Europeans are playing football, you know how big or money Copa America, the farthest you can get highlights, and even sadly yet we show highlights entry for because a right protected. Ukudiagra na copyright issues. Sinti na ebi bisasa na copyright ibon kaba Copa America ne Copa America is ongoing and Argentina winning by 1-0. Pablo Gomez the shares are goal no. Dear Hasla, boko there.
Chema nyame adum bibia boko.
Nice one. Bibia de di. Okay, yakwa no nimra. Na Andy enfien remu ho ya ba most pakan some of their tudwa and some police for their tudwa fan some across so Karela enyina se park no na nyina be rem ne aba be hwe ensensem so a eno so e banansa mi tin sembi Asante Kotoko so sensembi na mahwim kakra oza be to ja asri obi to ja se na Asante Kotoko sikasema hu yin yam kakra ba my boss say Kotoko loan we almost piske bi from almost sponsors so me checks with the board which is a board for no etueska board for no
salaries no
I'm the salaries no that come to 100,000 Ghana cedi 1 billion the shop so any good job no
that we just shop here
the shop you different no okay the shop on also try 80,000 I'm try
okay
board for no years card okay 20 apparently man could loan
no loan no there still na say facilitation e koso
omo pay loan
yes okay say fact say loan e no man high sense card the next season there no
omaje no so
yes omaje no so
omaje the cash and okay
I mean money is
that's a Kotoko situation money
absolutely
come this can way
am I And cry one was a meshas ye hu ehwehwemu. I mean Kwame Pokusi can achedo. But akwa is a war check, ukra check now also did check no. Inti Sikano
okay, so go basically baby house.
Inti Sikano
clear.
Inti Sikano cry background na. I mean, asa. Hey.
Sikano nyamai.
Sikano mai. Onkofo no fa mai. I don't know why. Onkofo no fa mai. And reflect here. But omadidi hu akama. Inti anu so asa.
Sikano mai asa.
Chama
we eyes are salary no mind.
It's unfortunate, but that's the reality on the ground.
Well, you're going board so of course. Minister and say bana say sikasem ko ye na e basho mo kakra.
Yeah.
And when a bar say go to go yeska na ko bibi o say salaries o muntu aye no. And apparently no mo di tua salaries and some mo bo interlies.
Absolutely, o mutu abosumi mienu bom.
O mutu na no pa na and some mo mutu o mo bo interlies give nti. I think say Asante go board no should also be commended. Almost why adie. Well, yanko am no nimra. Andy Garcias at the room, your bar, every 7 no at us.
Are you ready?